Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Siah, and today we're going to go fidget toy hunting. So let's go find some fidget toys. See if we can find some more somewhere else. Okay, let's jump them out. Whoa. There's a lot of fidget toys. Whoa. Okay, so I'm going to close my eyes and dig into the fidget toys and then pull one out. So let's. Oh my gosh, guys, there are I meant to say 3. And what you can do is there's a little rubber band between them. And then you can just attach them like this. Isn't that cool? Okay, that's all for today's fidget toy hunt. See you in the next video. Bye.